Hi, I'm Abby. Welcome to Abby's Den. Now, quite often you get skip stitches on your sewing, but that's not necessarily because you have a faulty machine. It could be just something you're not doing correctly. Let me show you a couple of examples. Right, just to show you for demonstration, I'm going to set the machine up and show you that it's working fine. So when we thread up the machine, make sure your thread take up lever is at its highest point, and also make sure your presser foot is up. So thread that up. I'm using a brand new 80 needle in there. 80 is a good size for generic sewing when you're using cotton. So make sure you put your bobbin in the right way. Do a full rotation and grab that bottom thread. If you don't know how to thread it in your machine, I've made a couple of videos to show you how to thread it with your machine. I'm setting the thread at the stitch length on 10 on this machine. That's about 3, so a 3mm stitch. And there we go. I've got some good stitching there on both sides. Right, now to sabotage the machine, and let me show you what goes wrong when you don't do it right. Now when we install our needle, we need to make sure it's placed in so that it hits the stopper here. See that stopper there? When I place the needle in there, you can see it will hit the stopper. You see that? If I don't do it all the way, and I just tighten it there, it's nicely secure in there, so it's not going to come out and cause any damage. I'm going to have to put the presser foot down to put the thread in, but that's okay because I've gone through the tension spring properly. Right, let's give that a try, see what happens. Look. Right, so we seem to be stitching fine, but then I skip a stitch there and I skip a stitch there. It might be easier to see this on a zigzag. Let's try that again. So I have a zigzag in place. It's like a heartbeat, isn't it? And you can see the tiny dots of where the zig and the zag are supposed to be. So if I continue but push the needle back up to its real position where it should be, let's continue. And there we go. Oops, got a bit of a tangle there. Right, there we go. So skip stitches. There we are. I'm just giving myself a blunt needle, and to do that I'm sewing through cardboard. So now let's pop that thread back in. Got a piece of calico, and I'm going to set the machine to a straight stitch on a larger stitch actually. You hear that banging? That banging is the needle just sounding a bit blunt. Sort of hammering to try and get into the fabric. Okay, so there we go. So we've got a few skip stitches there from a blunt needle, and if I try a zigzag, you might see even more so. Oops, the thread's come out. There we go. It's just struggling to pick it up, it's almost as bad as not having the needle in fully. But you can also see some stitches as well. So if you're skipping stitches, now you know why. If you like that video, subscribe, and I'll have some more troubleshooting videos up soon. Take care.